sometimes I would go to yung mga malls and I would see mga magagandang shoes. If only buhay lang siguro, mabibigyan ko siya ng maganda kasi I can afford it right now. Kaso wala na eh. So iniisip ko na lang na guide mo na lang ako na hopefully kung saan man ako abutin, I will never ever forget you kasi you along the way really is my star.
Oh my God, nakakaiyak. So that's the Filipino.
Ay, nako.
And the sense of gratitude to the father and mother.
Yeah.
Okay, especially the father.
Yeah.
The father never gave up hope and desire and ambition.
Yeah.
Never gave up ambition, giving them to Sofronio and his brothers because the cousin was also like a brother.
Yeah.
Okay? So yung mga nanonood, those are watching, see, never lose hope.
Never lose hope.
Okay.
So, kaya ngayon po, I only have my mama and she's still in the Philippines. And yun lang, isa lang yung pakiusap ni Papa ko. And I'm gone. Huwag niyo lang pabayaan si mama niyo kasi mahal ko yan. Sabi niya, hindi pwedeng magkahiwalay kami na walang mag-aalaga sa kanya. All out niyo. Kaya ngayon ako, tita, always make sure na tatawagan ko si mama kahit 2 minutes. Check ko lang siya. I have my CCTV, tinitingnan ko. Okay lang siya.